Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great family firm.
If you're looking for carpet cleaners in Intake Doncaster, you've found us. My name's Paul and I own Doncaster Carpet Cleaners. We've been cleaning in and around Intake in Doncaster for well over 25 years now. We're an IRCRC registered firm. We're wool safe approved. That's very important if you've got wool carpets, because they can easily be trashed in seconds using the wrong things. Yep, we're all safe with NCCA, so that's the National Carpet Cleaners Association. You can Google all these online so you can see all of our credentials and what we can and what we can't do. Go to the website, it's doncastercarpetcleaners.co.uk, and just read about what we can do. Importantly, we feel that the carpet cleaning prices in Doncaster ought to be ready for people to see on the website, so they're always on there. There's links from the front home page, and there's links all over the place, but even if you just type into Google carpet cleaning prices in Doncaster for Doncaster carpet cleaners or something like that, you'll see what the prices in Intake are for carpet cleaning. And we do sofa cleaning as well, and leather cleaning, and we actually reprotect the leather as well. So if you need a carpet cleaner, just give us a call. We're in and around Intake cleaning carpets all the time. Just give us a call. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners.
Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great